Say something funny.
Dance, monkey. Say, let in the guards.
Let in the guards. Off with your head.
All right, let's go out.
I'm Amanda, and we're Mikanda. We're headed down to Florida to get our advanced diving certification.
Finally.
Finally, yes. It was, we originally took the class back in October, and then we were scheduled to get our advanced dives probably March.
Yeah.
And of course, then the pandemic hit, so that got canceled. So we're finally able to get it rescheduled to now, the end of June. So
Yeah. So they're gonna have to do a little refresher course because it's been what? Over 6 months.
yeah, 8 months now since we took the class.
Yeah. So it's gonna be a little iffy on the brain part.
Yeah, so we'll have to touch up on some of our reading on the way down too, see if that'll at least help us remember. But we took 4 classes and now we have to put that into practice. We took the wreck diving, deep diving, night diving, and navigation diving, so we'll have to practice up and get ready for our dives.
Taking a pit stop before we get on the interstate. See if Roks needs a bathroom break. Let him stretch his legs out. And then getting on the interstate. Guess we crossed the border.
Welcome to Florida.
Thank you. That was nice. Made it to Florida.
Hot already.
Yeah, super hot. It's 91 degrees. We made it to destination 1, which is Mike's dad's house. So we're here getting ready to head out on to destination 2.
Hi, so it's me and Maddie here. Welcome back to our channel. This is the first day we made video. I'm just gonna show you what Uncle Mikey's doing. Doing nothing. This is my sister. She's gonna have a birthday. And boom! Yes, I caught that! Yes,
You caught me!
Amanda!
Start us on the video.
Hi. Today we're making friendship bread bracelets.
Bracelets?
No.
No, we're making just friendship bread that we're gonna eat. Okay, start over.
Hi. Today we're gonna make friendship bread, which we can eat.
Alright, we just mixed up the first ingredients into the bag and we're squished it up and now we're ready to add them. Take out a cup and add it into our bag. Shh, okay. Here's pineapple for Sissy. Alright, ready? Okay, let's say on the count of 3, we're gonna pour it in. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes! Right here for now. Alright, let's put it down, carry, lock it. And Maddie, 1 stir, remember, because we don't want it flying out. It's flying out anyways. Oh, it's okay, we'll clean up. Okay. That is the fun of mixing like crazy.
What happened?
Nothing? Nothing. Don't look over here.
No.
You guys are losing
What
your
happened?
chunks. Oh, it's
Oh,
too
no.
full.
It was
There's
a
too much stuff
little
in there.
liquidy, so. Alright, here, back
Don't you need
up.
the bigger bowl?
This is the bigger bowl,
Oh, no.
isn't it? Okay.
Do you want to use
You got it everywhere.
Okay.
Some banana twists.
Give us an update, Madison. What happened? tell
It
us.
spreaded all over the place.
Like, it went everywhere. Caroline.
Oh, there's some flour. It tastes great.
That's great.
This is yummy.
I think I need to
It tastes so yummy.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Alrighty. Now,
Is that all of it?
nope, we need a bread pan. We're gonna need goggles because
Like
we
your
can go
stuff that you
look
take.
in the water. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so
We're gonna see turtles.
are we? We're gonna see turtles?
Mermaids. No.
And what?
I think
You
they
can
will,
look for them.
but they are actually legend. No one has saw one.
Maybe
Really?
we'll see the first one today.
We go eat
Whenever you
lunch.
need help, let
Then
me know, 'cause
after
I can help with
Amanda and Uncle Mikey are gonna take us on the beach to ride, and we are going to swim.
To ride what?
To ride the boat.
Yes! We're off to take the boat out. Mike and I are taking our nieces on the boat. Madison, Caroline. Yeah. All right, let's go. Oops.
Can you guys turn this a little bit down?
Is that good?
Are the dinosaurs? We are the dinosaurs.
I knew it.
Every time I smack my legs jello.
Oh, man.
We are the dinosaurs.
Man, this is your jam.
We are going to ride on the ocean, and we are going to find a sandy area so me and Sissy can dig on and play.
Okay.
Let's see,
Now, what do you have to say?
Today's gonna be an awesome day, and I just saw a huge boat, and it's still here. Look.
Oh my gosh, that is humongous.
So we just launched the boat off of Blue Heron Bridge. That's not a handicapper right there. I might be a little pissed about that.
Handicapper. What's a handicapper? Okay, watch out. Let go.
It's staying in the same spot, right?
It should. That's what the anchor's gonna do, is keep us in one spot so we can go. Inside of the hole. Yeah? Is it working better? Yeah. Alright, perfect. Oh my gosh, look at the waves.
Paddle. Kick. Kick, 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 kick. Go all the way to the shore. Kick hard.
okay. We can share for now.
No, we cannot.
Why not?
That's a private island that no one needs to know about.
It's okay. They found out.
I came out here to this little island. It's pretty private. There's not a lot of people. There's one other person there. But we came out here the other day. There was nobody here. So that was cool. Pretty nice.
The water is just so turquoise and clear. It's beautiful. We're in North Palm Beach area right now. Going around, looking all the faithful yachts. There's the Blue Heron Bridge. We'll be diving over there later this week. Where are we?
Ocean.
On the ocean.
30 feet.
30 feet, and if you look down, you can see the bottom. Why did you yell? Well, we made it back home. Luckily, our drive was 12 hours exactly, which is what we were about expecting. So we had a busy week and got a lot done and accomplished. So we'll just keep on going until we see you in the next video.
Alright, see y'all.
Bye.